When you order a set of prescription glasses, first we have to start out with a lens blank, and here's how that lens blank is made. Step 1, we get an order for one of these lens blanks. And if we don't have it in stock, we have to actually manufacture it. The way we cast it is we take a front mold and a back mold. We'll put it inside what we call a gasket, which is a rubber ring that has two holders for the front and back mold. And then we put it inside essentially a giant rubber band, which is going to hold everything securely into place. So the next step we have to do is pour in the monomer between the two molds. And the monomer itself is made up of two components. It's made up of the ophthalmic material, which is a syrup, and an initiator, which when combined essentially heats up and will eventually form the lens material itself. Once we've combined both of these chemicals and we've poured them in between the molds, we want to get them into an oven. And the oven process itself takes about 22 hours to finalize the whole curing process. And we do this in order to better control the heating throughout the whole lens, so that by the end of those 22 hours, we don't end up with a lens that has a bunch of cracks throughout it, and we have a much better product. So at the end of the 22 hours, we pull these lenses out of the oven and then we deblock them. So we take off the gasket, we take off the front and the back mold, and then we'll put that lens through a QC process where we're checking the front side for any defects. So we're looking for scratches, any bubbles that may have occurred during the curing process, and really anything that would affect the optical clarity, so that when the product we're sending to the lab is eventually turned into your prescription, the lens it manufactures is a solid product. After the QC process, it goes into a box. We'll print out a label, and it's all set for shipping.